How to delete X account permanently. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete X account permanently. First, navigate to the X app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in to your account. Swipe towards the right side and it will show you the profile. In the menu, you will see the option of Settings and click on it. In Settings, select your account and it will show you Deactivate your account option. Then, go to Deactivate your account and click on Deactivate. In this way, it will delete X account permanently. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.